Hi guys, welcome to another vlog at home, starting with my high school shirt and in my parents' kitchen. I'm making, well, they're not on the stove yet, but I'm gonna make avocado toast with eggs, kind of a brunch. I've been up for a few hours, but I just haven't been hungry, so it's like getting closer to lunchtime. Go run some errands, so I thought I'd vlog it, and yeah. Gonna have a good Thursday and go to the gym eventually. Since my parents don't have everything but the bagel seasoning, I'm just using a little bit of garlic salt, crushed red pepper. Broke this yolk, R.I.P. I'm in the car now, listening to Louis the Child. I always want to refer to them as Louis the Child because I feel like that just sounds better, but it's Louis. I heard them announce themselves in person, so can't argue with it. It's hard when you always like read a word a certain way and then learn it's different than that. When I was reading the Twilight series in middle school, I was a big Twilight fan. I always thought that the dad's name was Carlisle. And I was like, yeah, and then Carlisle was like, and they were like, who? And I was like, Carlisle. They're like, it's Carlisle. It's not that funny, I'm just an idiot. I'm gonna go pick up some more moisturizer and a couple things that I need here, and then I'm gonna go to the gym on the way back. I think today I'm gonna do shoulders and abs. Like I said in my last vlog, I really wanna work on my abs this summer, and Whitney Simmons posted an ab video, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna get it from your mom and gotta shake something. I'm repping American University today, if you can see that. Then you throw it in the air. Then you throw it in the air. Okay, bye. Get it from your mama, shot to shake something. I don't know what it is, but whenever I come to a Rite Aid specifically, I always want to look at every drugstore product. I think they just have the best selection. This sounds sponsored. I just mean like the way they display them all, like, I just want to try everything. It's just fun to look, you know? Like, we love a good holographic lip gloss. Well, I don't really love that, but in theory, it's nice. I'm in search of Vanna Cream. It should be over here. Which is like my favorite moisturizer for eczema. Oh, hell yeah. The last one. Wait, why is it more expensive than usual? That's unfortunate, but oh well. A good fragranceless, sensitive skin kind of lotion. So this song is really loud, like very dramatic. I'm literally just alone in this giant aisle. I'm trying to think of other things that I need to buy. I'm getting Starbucks, is anyone's surprise. I need to pull up my money.
Coconut.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
I got more coffee. People ask my go-to order sometimes. So I've said it in vlogs before, but in case you missed it. Cold brew or just like iced coffee. I think iced coffee is technically cheaper. With coconut milk, you can ask for a splash. I just get that because I don't have dairy and I'm allergic to other milk. Non-dairy is generally better if you have the option, just because dairy is inflammatory. So, oh my god, this truck is gonna hit me. Sir, I was here first. Ha, I win. Anyway, with like 1 or 2 pumps of flavoring. So I'll either get vanilla or caramel, usually. That's my Starbucks order. All ye wondering. I was just like smiling and holding up my cup for the vlog, and there was a guy like holding a sign outside, and we made eye contact, and it looked like I was like cheersing him. I'm gonna go get gas and then go to the gym and do my little shoulder and ab workout. Much excite. Kind of is a bummer when you have clean hair to go to the gym because you know you're just gonna get it dirty, and I'll just wear a ponytail tomorrow probably. It's like, well, it was fun while it lasted. Got a nice errand out of it. It's green. Keep on running through a red light. If you're curious about this song, my other music, check out my Drive With Me video or my Spotify, which is always linked below. It is now the next day, and I just got in the car and I'm like, I just want to like drive. I don't know if you guys ever get like that now that I'm like home while I'm here. I just want to like drive as much as I can because I miss it. Feels therapeutic to me. Like, I love driving and just like thinking. I don't know that I'm gonna go to the gym today just because all my muscles are like slightly sore and I haven't had a rest day since the weekend. So I might do some cardio and like go for a walk on the beach later. Just something low key. Hello, now I'm at the beach in classic me fashion. I jumped the caution tape to sit on this bench. I wish it was sunny, but also like, it's just so classic home to be cloudy like this. The tide's kind of high right now, so I might run a little later. Let me know if you guys are like this too, but I don't like running in general. It's just with my asthma, running is especially hard on my lungs because all the air that's like forced into it. In certain places, I really don't, like, I kind of like it. Like here on the beach at home, I like running here. I guess because it's not crowded. Like other beaches I've been to, if there's a lot of people, I don't like running on it. Like this open stretch of sand where you just feel like you could run forever and no one's around. Of all places, it would definitely be here on the beach that I would run. This quarter zip is from Brandy Melville. I know I'm gonna get questions already because I get questions every time I wear it, but yeah. I don't know why. I guess it's just because I finally have free time to like stop and just think about things, but I've just been so like reflective lately, and maybe it's just being back home. I'm just kind of like taking some time to myself today. I look ridiculous right now. So I am just trying to get ready with this business. I had my hair braided yesterday, you guys saw, and oh, it's so tangly. I don't want to like brush through it because then it'll just get way puffy. So I'm just trying to like finger comb it, but this situation, like, today is graduation day from Chapman. I wish I was there. I really wish I was spending it with my friends, but like, it just didn't work out for me to go. So not all of them are done. Tomorrow is still some of the graduation ceremonies. Like Orly's is tomorrow. They like live stream them, so I watched them and I was like texting them while I was watching them graduate, my friends that are younger than me. And it's just so weird. It has me feeling so nostalgic. It's been, well, today's the 19th and I graduated on the 21st. So on Monday, it'll be a whole year. Thinking I might do some sort of, because I just don't like how this looks. So I might do some sort of like half up business. I've been thinking, and I mentioned it on my Fit Instagram. If you're following me there, then you know. I feel like all the people that follow me on my Fit Insta are like the real insiders that really get me, and I'm like, they just know. I think I want to make like another like summer kind of series. Bedhead after party. It's a smoothing cream, so hopefully it'll tame this mess. It just looked dumb. Oh well. I am going to do like a summer series on my channel. Summer, I want them, sorry if this is really shitty. This summer you finally get that like relaxation, like take a breath and focus on self-improvement. At least that's how I saw it. And then you go back refreshed for the next school year, like seeing people you hadn't seen in a few months. It's like I want to take this summer for that too, you know, like I did last summer, like really focusing on myself and what I need. I want it to be something that you all can use too, like in a hashtag if you have a fit Instagram or anything like that. We'll talk more about my series later, but I'm really excited about this because I want it to be something that like brings us all together. Like one of my favorite parts of Eat Clean, Train Mean, Get Lean was seeing you guys like love it and interact with it and engage with it, and seeing you guys like putting it on your Instagram story, like hashtag Eat Clean, Get Mean, Train, okay, I can't even say it. Sending me little graphics you made and just like how it helped you. That's what I loved about it. So that's why I want to do this again. So we're kind of like all in this for the summer together. So that's kind of what my summer series is going to be about. It's just like about all of us reaching our goals together. I just got here. There's no one here. So yay. Hopefully I'll film some of my workout. Maybe I'll film my warm-up for you guys because it's only on my Fitsta and I always refer to that, but I never like tell you guys on here. So yeah, I'm doing legs. I've decided my series is going to be called Best Self Summer or something, or Summer of Your Best Self. I don't know, but that's like what I wanted to say. Like self-improvement was too like wordy, but I kind of just like best self. Like it's all about like not being better than other people, but just like getting to your goals and being the best version of yourself you can be this summer. So best self summer, I think. Let's do it. This hair is gotta go. I just wrapped it around the tiny bun. This is weird. This is terrible. struggling so much. I have not burned a good amount of calories for the time I've been here for sure. I'm just being slow today, I guess. Unconventional hip abduction with a plate, like standing against this, so let's do it. Try not to like pull it up and use your arm to hold it up because you want the weight to be against your leg. So just use a light grip. Yes, I look like this. Anyway, I just thought I'd wrap up this vlog, kind of just an introduction to my summer series, and showed you guys my glue workout today and my Starbucks order I get a lot of questions about, just like kicking off just a laid back summer vlog. My summer series, I think I'm gonna call it, I kind of like Summer of Your Best Self. I think Summer of sounds better than Best Self Summer. I don't know how I feel about the term like living my best life. It's kind of a tangent, but it just reminded me of it. Because to me, it sounds a little bit like condescending when people say that. Sorry, I just ignore my actual eye makeup all over my face. Such an obscure example, but if you watch The Bachelor, I watched it in college. Rachel was the Bachelorette and they did the whole like after the rose thing, interviewing with Peter, who she broke up with, and he was like, oh yeah, like I hope you're doing well, and she was like, yeah, I'm over here living my best life, and it just sounded so condescending because it was just like without you, you know what I mean? Like my life is the best without you. And it just sounds like, I don't know, like I guess a lot of people don't mean it that way, but but to me, like best self is so different than living my best life, because it's like, it's not saying like my life is better than yours, it's just saying like I'm being the best version of myself. Does that make sense to you? I don't know why I just needed to bring that up, because I really didn't. But to me, I'm just big on self-improvement, and life is all about progressing and learning and implementing those, you know, lessons you've learned into your life to be a better person every day that you can. And I think Best Self Summer is a good way to kind of exemplify that, not just in fitness, but working on mental health. I want to talk about, you know, my struggles with like loving myself and body image and things like that, and not just like more workout clips. Like I want to do more than that, but it all is going to be super, hopefully motivating fitness and health stuff, trying new things, pushing myself, new recipes, working on my abs. And I am going to be doing Summer of Your Best Self on my Fit Instagram too, so look out for those posts. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see with this, or if any of you like make cute graphics or something and send it to me. I'd love to maybe post it on my Fit Insta. My hope in life is that every year I can stop and look back at any point and look back at a year ago today and think like, wow, I've really come a long way and I've improved and learned a lot in the last year, instead of like, wow, I miss who I was. Wow, I am not different in any way whatsoever. My life is the exact same. I'm always someone who's about change and improving what I can. So I can definitely say, like looking back a year ago, because of graduation and everything, it's made me like very reflective. I feel like I'm just always reflective when I come home, because a year ago I still hadn't started my fitness journey yet. I'm not to the year mark. It's been such an insane year of change and like working on myself and learning so much about myself. And I can honestly say like I'm a completely different person, but in the best way. Summer, I hope, is more of that, and I hope you guys are in it with me. I hope this explanation made sense, or you're excited for my summer series. Let me know ideas you have for like pertaining it to being your best self and what kind of videos you want to see. Like sometimes in the comments, it like, there's always a core group of people that always comment, and I love them to death, and I recognize their names, and they're honestly like, you guys are my homies. There's like surges where I'll talk about like the comments, and then I'll get a lot of comments, and then it slowly fades out, and I feel like we're fading out, and I'm like, you guys, like I want to read your comments. So definitely, if you want to leave a comment, leave it on this video. Don't be a ghost watcher. You know, this summer, being your best self means not being a ghost watcher and being involved in commenting and interacting, because I just love reading your comments and it makes me so happy. So I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Get excited for Summer of Your Best Self. Let me know your ideas. I feel like I'm just repeating myself now, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.